3. Ammonia gas, HCl gas react to form ammonium chloride, which is solid. Magnitude of standard entropy change is 284 joules per Kelvin per mole. So this is your delta S. They give you delta H, you have delta S. Which statement is correct? Gibbs 3 is negative 261. Now, guys, I got a question to ask you. Question. They react, right? Then they give you delta H, they give you delta S. You look at this formula, they give you G. No, they give you what? They give you H, they give you S, right? What's the T? How do you know it's 298 Kelvin? Very good, because you realize that this sign here, right, means that it's standard conditions. Very good, Ethan. You remember this is what we call the Absol symbol. So when you see this symbol, you know that it's standard condition 298 Kelvin. Okay, so temperature 298 Kelvin. So if we know all these three terms, right, can we calculate delta G? Absolutely, guys. Is it okay that I get you guys to help me estimate if this is 261? Not too much trouble, right? Okay, just for the benefit of them, right? When you do calculation, just remember all the terms are in kilojoules, except for delta. Delta S is in joules. So whatever you substitute your delta S, right, you need to divide by 1,000, so that all of them is in kilojoules. Okay, so just for your info, how? It's not exactly. So Peter says it's not. Is it? It's not. Yeah. Okay. So I don't know. It looks like it's not. Some of you calculated. Okay, then if it's not, then we do a cross. Oh, you all agree, right? Unless you got the 261, then you let me know. Okay, second statement, right? The reaction becomes non-spontaneous. Non-spontaneous, guys, means that delta G, right, is a positive value. Okay, remember, okay, I think for the rest of you, I can ask you remember. For Eldon, I need to say it. Gibbs 3, right, it means that the reaction is spontaneous if your Gibbs 3 value is negative. Positive, not spontaneous. Okay, so what you're saying is the reaction become delta G positive if your temperature is greater than 620. Okay, so just now you're working, right? Can you go back and edit the temperature to 620 and see if your heat spray is become positive? Does it become a positive term? Okay, third statement I can do for you. It's quite easy. There's an increase in order as strong hydrogen bond. This is wrong statement because between NH3 and HCl, these guys have one bond, ionic bond. It's NH4 plus, Cl minus. So it's not hydrogen bond. Statement is not correct. Okay, this one outright is nothing to do with thermochem. This is basically your chem bonding. So it's not hydrogen bond. Okay, so number 2, did you all calculate already or not? Is number 2 correct or not? Ini correct, you guys calculated, huh? In number 1 and 2, I have to trust you because I don't have a calculator. So you all say one. Eldon, did you calculate the thing? Is statement 2 correct? Is your Gibbs 3 positive value? You use your calculator. This one cannot. You cannot. High power cannot. It's not It's not positive. It's still negative value. Then how can it be three statement all wrong though? 不可能 three statement all wrong Must be one statement, at least one statement is correct. Let's see did we miss out anything Answer here is C. So second statement is actually correct, because if you sub in all these values, right guys, you sub in all these values, this value of minus T delta S is greater than delta H, which is minus 176. Do you realize that there's two terms here for calculation of delta G? Delta H, which is given to us, our job is to calculate minus T delta S. And see this second term, is it greater than the first term? Vinay, your face looks like you want to ask some question. What is your? This one negative. This one is positive. Okay. It's not positive. I understand what you're saying. I understand what you're saying finally. I think. Okay, so they say magnitude of this entropy change is 284, right? 284 is not a positive term here. What do you understand by magnitude? What do you understand by magnitude? Is the how big or small the number is, right? It doesn't tell you is it positive or negative. It doesn't say. So means what? Means we have to look at the equation here. Did it get more or less orderly according to phase change? It actually got less orderly. I think we all overlook that part, right? When we are doing the calculation. Because we assume that 284 was a positive number. When in fact they just tell you, hey guys, this is the magnitude only. So you need to tell me, is it positive or negative? According to this, phase change is negative. Renee, thanks for bringing that up. If you didn't say, we'll still be wondering, how come all three statements wrong? Okay, so this term, can we say your delta S is actually negative 284? So if you sub in this term, does then the value turn positive? Yeah, it does. It should. Guys, do you see how the prelim questions, they like to trick you? They give you the number, then they say, the magnitude. Meaning, next time, do take note. Magnitude. Okay.